What is up, y'all? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to install a fuel filter in the fuel line of a garden tractor, well, an older garden tractor. The tractor that I have here is the Cadet 109 hydrostatic. So this is the tractor I'll be showing it on, y'all. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, y'all, so everything that you're going to need, so mine currently does not even have a fuel filter in it, so I need snips so I can snip the line. If you already have a fuel filter, this video might not be for you, but this is kind of if you don't have one installed in the current fuel line. So that's what I'll be doing today, y'all. So yeah, that's really all you need. I would also recommend getting some pliers. So on my tractor here, there's no like midway cutoff switch, so you're gonna need to pinch the line so you don't get gas going everywhere. Alright, let's get into it, y'all. Alright, y'all, first thing that I'm doing here, you can see this is the valve switch right here for the fuel, to allow the fuel in. So I just got to spin that all the way up, and no more fuel will be coming. So yeah, tight right there. So now no more fuel is going to be coming, but we still have some fuel in the line. So if you have the pliers, you can kind of pinch in a certain spot. Yeah, but I'm not going to worry about that. I probably should have brought paper towels, but it's okay. Alright, y'all, another really important thing here is you want to make sure you're facing the fuel filter the right way. Mine right here has an arrow that says to carb, so to the carburetor. And so mine will be facing this way because it goes up to there. Alrighty, y'all, so now I'm going to make sure that this to carburetor is pointing away from the carburetor. I'm going to put mine about right there. So you can see that's where the fuel tank is. So that means I need to cut it about right there. Okay, and there's the gasoline. Okay. Yep, all over me. Nice. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hope this is the right size. Shit. Okie dokie. Still gotta get it up there a little bit. My hands are soaked. Should have brought a paper towel. Damn. Okie dokie. You definitely need to shorten the other side a bit now. Because that's going to be long. My gas line's already super long, but alright. Alright, y'all, so you can see I got it over the second little kind of thing to catch it here on this side. Probably slide it on a bit more later, but yeah, now I'm going to cut this second one just a bit, snip just a bit of it off. About right there should work. Make sure this ain't too long. Oh, there's still some gasoline in that line. Alrighty, there we go. Time to slip this side on. Alrighty, there we go, y'all, and now I'm just gonna slide it all the way up. Alright, y'all, that's as good as I got it on so far. This one's giving me a real pain in the butt right here, but it ain't pulling off, so I'll tighten it up later. But yeah, so now let's do this and loosen it. Let the fuel come in. Hopefully I got fuel in the tank. I don't think I got fuel in the tank. Damn it. Kind of needed that to test if it could leak, but alright, let's check. Barely any fuel in there. Alright. No, there's a bit of fuel running through there. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna crank it up and see how it goes. Alright, y'all, time to crank it up. Shit. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, it cranked up and ran real good. You can see we got some gasoline in here now, definitely 100%. And that is the damn well best this tractor's ever ran. Because most of the time it cranks up, turns over, runs for 2-3 minutes, and then backfires on me and starts stuttering and dying out. But yeah, so it sounds a lot better now. Yeah, I guess that fuel filter helped it a lot. Don't know why I didn't install that to begin with. Good thing I haven't ran it too much since I installed the new carburetor and everything. But yeah, so hope this video helped y'all out. If you were having troubles with this, I should be having some more videos on anything else I do with the tractor and restoring it. I mean, it's pretty much in good condition. I mean, I just need new tires, and the front 2 tires are totally different. And just little things like this, like the fuel filter. I can't see. Okay, there we go. So hope y'all have a blessed day, and let me know down in the comments if you have a garden tractor as well. And remember, Jesus loves you. Have a blessed day, y'all.